Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is March 28th, 2025, and this is my weekly market review where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor, please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let's resize these charts. Let's maximize this quarterly chart and see what we see here. We still see that bearish engulfing at the top on the high time frame. We are still staying above the yearly pivot on this. That's the thing. Can we stay above this level, and can we reverse and bounce here? Let's go ahead and go down to the monthly thing and see what we see on here. On the monthly picture, we are below the 9-10 moving average, so technically we are in a bear market. So again, trade based on your trading plan, your trading strategy, and all. Bear market, we are there again. That's just what we see. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. And the other thing now, this being the end of, before I leave here, this being the end of the quarter, come next quarter, we have 2 more days. We have 2 more days of the month come next week and all. But I don't think in those 2 days we're gonna pull back above pivot, which is up here. When I say back above pivot, I mean this pivot line right here, this white line. If we pull back above here, that will get us back above the 10. That'll get us back into a bull market, and we'll be seeing things going on. But if that doesn't happen, and we end up closing and opening come next month, next quarter, below this market is going to end up probably going somewhere down here in this area here. Is my prediction. Don't know, not sure, but this is maybe just the first leg on this monthly legs to the downside. And based on what I was listening to some other guys, what they were saying, this little pullback that we've had, the VIX did go up on us, but it didn't go up quite as much. So they don't think the real fear has come into the market yet, meaning that there could be more downside pressure to come. And we have to just kind of like wait and see what actually happens. But that's it. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. All right, on this weekly chart. On this weekly chart, what we see again is a bearish engulfing. That's these 2 candle patterns right here. And normally I would say this is in the wrong location. In this case, though, what I'm seeing, though, this market was kind of consolidating. So this is like it was consolidating at the top, consolidating at a level. Now you get an indication of which way it want to come out of this consolidation. And coming out of this consolidation, we may be going to the downside. And what I see also, like before, we had came down here close to this R3 level, support 3 level, which is this red line right here, and now come next month, we're going to be opening below this level right here. So everything is setting up for this market to go lower, we just got to wait and see what's going to happen. That's what I'm seeing right now. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and look at this daily information that we had this week and see what we see here. On this daily chart, last week I was saying, if you listen to all my videos, I was saying on one of the videos that it didn't look healthy because of this whole consolidation area here, how we couldn't break this high right here in all the last 2 weeks of last week. And then this week, then come Monday, we gap up over it because that happens a lot. And then, this day right here, we ended up dojing. So that wasn't a good sign. That was some indecision in the market. That was some where this market probably wasn't going to get any higher. Then we ended up forming a evening star. Then we got confirmation of that evening star to the downside. The question is now, will we get any support here at this level right here, this 250 level? 250 is the magic number right now. We break below 250, get a close below 250. Looking at us going down at least another 25 to 50 points lower. And that's what I see. And that's all I have to share today here on this S&P 500. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll talk with you next week. Have a good one. Bye.